Hey, this is Matt with Blue Taco Gear here with another Tacoma modification, this time D-rings with TRD Red shackles. So let's take a look at these here as we back out. You can kind of see what it looks like. I think it's a really nice look. It also helps, again, with off-roading. You get two prominent shackles, easy to hook to if you need to get pulled out. And I'll go under the truck here and show you how these are installed. There also is a link in the description below where I got the D-rings and the TRD colored shackles, so you can pick them up yourself. Okay, so these are installed in normal mount points. So this location right here is where the factory recovery hook is. So you take out the recovery hook, and then this bolt here, which is part of the frame and holds in this end piece right here, take that out, put in your D-ring, put the bolt back in, and then you add your shackle. You can see here I have two washers on here, and works great. And then on the other side, same thing. There's already a bolt holding the end cap. You just take that off, add the D-ring, and bolt it back on using the same bolt that was there, and you're done. This mod literally took me about 10 minutes. So super easy to do, super nice look to the truck, brings in the TRD Red to the off-road, and of course you can get other color shackles if you want, but I think the red really adds a lot. So there's a link in the description below to other mods I've done, and where you can pick those up as well. But stay tuned for future content. Like and subscribe.